All right. Good evening, guys. Yeah. All right. Good evening, guys. We'll continue. Gradually coming to the close of organic chemistry. All right. For the past few weeks, we're looking at the alkynes, alkanols. Yes, alkanols, phenols. So I think we have alkanoic acids and alkanoids, then amines and its respective derivatives, all right, to look at. Okay, but I said before we look into alkanoic acids and alkanoids, carbohydrates, and the rest, let's quickly go to the naming of organic compounds, which I believe many of us are not new to. All right, we are not new to. Okay, all right. So IUPAC nomenclature of organic compounds. I explained functional groups at the preliminary stage of this class. I said functional groups are atoms, radicals, which are group of atoms. They are atoms or radicals or a bond common to a homologous series of organic compounds. What do we mean by that? Functional groups are atoms or radicals. We say radicals are a group of atoms carrying electrical charges, all right? So they are atoms or radicals that are bonded to organic compounds. And what do? They determine the chemical properties of that organic compound. So if you want to determine the chemical property of an organic compound, all right, you check the functional group of that compound. So we see the table below. Many of us are not new to this. We did this in our secondary school level chemistry. We see the alkanes. Alkanes don't have any functional group. They just have a general formula of CnH2n plus 2. We see the alkenes. Okay, alloalkenes. I explained alloalkenes also in the preliminary stages of this class. I explained the haloalkenes. All right. They are halogens, from the word halogen. So when you're bonding an halogen, either chlorine or fluorine or bromine, to an alkane derivative, which is alkyl. All right. So when you bond an halogen to an alkyl, you have haloalkanes. Then alkanols, the functional group for alkanols is OH, the hydroxyl group. OH. It is because of this group, this OH group, we can say alkanols are soluble in water because of the OH bonding. All right, we have ethers, the functional group. OR, don't forget, whenever you see R in this table, R is standing for an alkyl group, represented by the general formula CnH2n plus 1. The alkanals are also called aldehydes. Yes, they are also called aldehydes. The functional group is CHO. The R stands for any alkyl group. Alkanones are also called ketones. Yeah. And the functional groups are CO, just CO, double bond, carbon to oxygen bond, CO. All right. Then carboxylic acids, the ones also called alkanoic acids. All right, carboxylic acids, they have a COOH. Whenever you see any alkyl group bonded to COOH, that is an alkanoic acid you have there, or a carboxylic acid. Then ester. So this after carboxylic acid is ester. I think the typographical errors. Ester, ESTERS. That one we also call them alkanoids. The functional group is COOR. Then we have primary amines. Functional group is NH2. Derivative of ammonia, NH3. Yes. Then we have amides. Amides is CONH2. Then nitriles is CN, a triple bond between carbon and nitrogen.